I'm Daniel Smith, supervising attorney, and again I'm talking today about what happens after an arrest. We've used the example of a DUI arrest because they're so common in California. Again, about 250,000 DUIs are cited each year. So what happens after you come into my office and you've retained the office of our firm to represent you? We've set up a payment plan that's comfortable. We're now looking at strategizing in your case. We're talking about the facts of your case. I'm going to be asking you quite a few questions about certain things, such as the stop. Why did the officer stop you? That's very important. I'll be asking you questions about how you think you performed on the field sobriety test. And again, I'm using the DUI as an example in this case. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk about really what's going on in your life. It's very important to bring out all those factors really even beforehand, before the first court appearance. I should have all that material in my hands so that when I go to speak to the prosecutor and to the judge at your first court appearance, I will have some material that shows what kind of a person you are, that you're a good person. You've got a job, you've got a family, you've got many things that are important that make you a person and not just a number. So I really want you to know that we're going to talk a lot about that. It's not so much about the guilt or the innocence as it is at the very beginning talking about who you are. That's very, very important. So we're going to do that. Now, I want you to keep in mind, by the way, that in the first court appearance, you will not have to go to court with me. As a private attorney, I'm allowed to make that appearance under Penal Code 977 on your behalf. That allows you to stay working, stay with your family. You don't have to come up with a bunch of excuses. I've had clients before say in the past, "Thank you very much for handling this case for me. Right now, my boss is not aware of it, and I'd rather keep it that way. And by you going to court for me, it's allowed me to concentrate on my work and the things that matter, and you're helping me to get this put behind me. So thank you very much for that." I hear that a lot, and I hope that I hear it from you. So we'll talk about those things. Okay, just as a little bit of a review. Again, you've been arrested. We've already set up a payment plan for you. You now are putting together the materials that give me a way to paint a picture of who you are to the prosecutor and to the judge, to really let them know what was going on in your life when this alleged offense occurred, because that's where we're going to start first. Okay, let's talk about a few other things in the next video.